you so much for coming back, and today in this video we are going to talk about all the skincare products that I use for winters. And this is a winter special edition, especially for those who have dry skin like mine, and I'll discuss all my products that I use that you can also use for your dry skin. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, I want to start with my face wash. So for face wash, I use this two face wash. The first one is Visibly Clear Neutrogena Anti-Pimple Oil-Free Wash Gel. So this is really good for acne prone skin like mine. I normally go for this, but as it says, it drags all the oil from your skin. It tends to make my skin more drier side. So for winters, I like when I have like visible pimple, like visible acne coming in, then I go for it. Otherwise, for winter, just for winters, I have got this tea tree Body Shop skin clearing facial wash, and as tea tree is also very renowned to decrease the amount of pimple and like blemishes in your skin, so this is also another very good option for me, and I think I totally recommend this one for winters especially. And also this is a little bit on pricier side compared to Neutrogena, but for winters I absolutely love this. It does not dry out my skin at all, and it also takes care of the acne that I have, so absolutely this one. So another product that I go right after my face wash is not moisturizer, that I do in summers, but for winter I have like few other steps that I do before I actually put my moisturizer in. And the first thing I use and I love, and I know a lot of people love it and already know, is this Patanjali Aloe Vera gel. It's so good, and you can use it like so many places, and like for your hair, for your skin, for your you can mix it in face mask, so it's multi-purpose, and as it's like pure aloe vera gel, you know, it does not have anything else, and it's so water based. It's like it's purely aloe and like aloe vera gel and water, so it gets like very much absorbed in the skin like that in a second. So before applying any moisturizer, I love to use this because it gets soaked in my skin, and it has a lot of water, like the gel consistency. I feel like it gives a lot of moisture, and my face is hydrated after I wash my face and like rub it and like clean it. So this serves a very good purpose, and it's good for summer and winter. And in summer you can just use it like it is and like as a moisturizer, but for winters I love to use it before moisturizer, so I have like my skin is hydrated, it gets a bit of water from this gel, and then only I move to moisturizer. So after using Patanjali's aloe vera gel, next thing I use before my moisturizer is some kind of oil or a serum. So right now I have this serum from Red Earth Australia. I got this from TK Maxx. It's not expensive at all, and it's really nice. So it has some kind of chemical that actually hydrates your skin and also make it more radiant. So I can't read it, I'm sorry guys, if I find the link I'll put it somewhere down, but I can't read it, it's very technical scientific word I guess. And the next thing I have is for like tea tree oil. It's not oil actually, it's for Anti-Imperfection daily solution. So it's not thick as oil, and it's a little milder than its regular tea tree oil that comes in a very small bottle. So you are supposed to like put this before your moisturizer, so it takes care of blemished skin. So now I have a lot of acne marks, especially in my cheeks, and all my products I use are to like, you know, like remove all these marks. So I use a different face mask, different oils like this, and different formulas that works for my behalf, like for my skin. So this is another one, and another alternative, those who can't like have access or who don't want to purchase all these kinds of product, this is my ultimate favorite, and I can make a separate video for this, like how many things that I do with this oil. And this one is coconut oil. I love it. I use it for almost everything, from cooking, for my hair, for my skin, for my body lotion, for everything. So if you don't have all these kinds of products, so the best thing you can do is coconut oil. But I also tell people who have a lot of acne, especially because of the oil in the skin, please don't do it. And I can't recommend for you guys, because I don't know, I haven't used, but I have people like me who even have acne with dry skin. This work like amazing. And before I was introduced to all this kind of serum and all these things, I always used to wear my coconut oil. And especially if you don't want to look, if you are not sure about the oil, so I recommend you before sleep. So the same thing that these guys do also can be done by this coconut oil, and it's not expensive at all. And the one in very popular in Nepal is like the blue one. I will post somewhere if I find the picture, if I can do that. And it's also said it's edible, so it's written somewhere it's edible. So I used to use that oil before sleeping, and like next day and even after, like just the first use, you can see how moisturized your skin gets. So I absolutely recommend some kind of serum or oil, or if nothing, coconut oil. And you can do this like if your skin is extremely dry, just do it in the morning after your face wash, and also before sleep. It works amazing. So finally, after all these face oils and serum, and now I come to my moisturizer. I know a lot of you can relate how good this product is, especially for dry skin. My Nivea, it's so good, it's so good. It's worth the price. It's not expensive at all. I don't know, I can't say right now, but when I go and see in the display, I have also tried some other products that says like especially for dry skin and look fancy, but this good old Nivea is what works for me. And it's not like I use a very tiny bit, I use a good amount, because how many times did I tell you guys, my skin is dry and it cracks, so I put a good amount of it. And nothing that fancy, but it works. It works. I've seen my grandmother and mother use that from like it used to come in like blue thing, and they use that for life. And I have been growing using Nivea. So, and I have also heard that Nivea is very good. It's made in Germany, is it? Yeah, and I have also heard from my friends like Nivea in Germany is very good. I don't know, maybe compared to my country, what I used to wear before. So it has worked for me, and it's really nice. It's worth the price, and you can also use as a hand cream, so it is multi-purpose, and I highly recommend for dry skin. So guys, the next thing I want to talk about is sunscreen. I know it's very lazy. I feel lazy, like I don't have that much of enthusiasm to wear sunscreen in winter, but when I hear a lot of dermatologists speak, and this is like how important is to wear sunscreen in winter also, I'm forced to, so they push me to wear this, and I think it's good. It's a good investment for your skin. When you have a lot of freckles like me, you should wear sunscreen even in winter, so the UV rays that's coming and from the cloud is not harming your skin. So I'll show you my sunscreen. Okay, so the next thing I wear is sunscreen. So again, my favorite Nivea Sun. It's anti-aging and anti-pigmentation and it's 50 plus. I think it does the job, but after all this kind of moisturizer, you know, there even for the moisturizer, you have to see like, is it like very another fat, not moisturizing kind of oil in water. I feel sometimes it's too much for me, but it also depends on my skin, how my skin is feeling. If it's like, if the sun is really harsh and my skin is also very dry, I go for this because it's 50 plus. And now recently I have started using this Body Shop Vitamin C SPF 30 PA+++. So I don't know what it does. I haven't researched that much, but it says it's for dull, tired and grumpy skin. That's for my skin. So I love Nivea also depending on my skin, like I said, but nowadays I'm loving this product. And after, when I applied all these kind of serums and even face oil that I said already, I love to use face oils, even coconut oil, so it's quite heavy. So then I go for like this little milder version. It's not very thick, it's not very oily, it's not water based also, but it has some kind of oil, but it's not that, it does not feel that thick to my skin, because sometimes I also like to wear some foundation or BB cream, so it becomes a lot of layers, so I want to keep it simple. And for that, I think like the Body Shop Vitamin C SPF works perfectly for me. So this is another product I use. It's moisturizing, it's very moisturizing, but it's not too moisturizing, like, you know, it's not shining on my face. So sometimes it gives a little sign, it also gives a little sign that I've used very much oily product, but it gives kind of matte finish. It's not that matte, but still it's not that oily also. I can't explain. I think I'm not explaining it good enough, but I think it really works. You can give it a try, but it's little on the pricier side, so it comes with a little more expensive price, but I think you can go anything for a matte finish but moisturizing sunscreen for this purpose. So guys, I've explained everything that I use in morning especially, and there are all these products, like especially besides sunscreen, I repeat it in evening also. But you know, like after doing all this also, you are constantly sitting in heater, and you have like room heaters, and then like you are drinking a lot of hot water, you are washing your body and face with hot water. So even after all this, sometimes I feel really cranky in my skin. My skin is not like, when I laugh, I don't feel good, it's not moisturized. So then like maybe twice in a week, I also go for a this seed mask. It's really good. It's not an old thing for me. I just got introduced like maybe last month. And there is another one from, I think, Neutrogena, that I have also used. I'll try to link it somewhere. That's also really fine product. And this again, I got it from TK Maxx. I don't know if a lot of people buy products from TK Maxx, like beauty products, but I see a lot of good things in their display, and I have bought few products and it has worked quite well for me. So I don't know. And this one is like peach infused face mask. I think it's a Korean product. Yeah, it's a Korean product, that's why I picked it up. And then like Korean sheet mask and Korean skincare are so much popular all around the world, because their skin are like a glass. It's like glowing, it's moisturized, and they don't have any blemish. So I got this. I have tried for 1 or 2 times already in last month, and I also use the Neutrogena one, so I switch between. And this one is really nice, guys. So it's not like only this. I recommend some kind of sheet mask because it's really directly sitting on your skin, and it must like absorbing all the moisture. It's really hydrating. It's a really good option for winter for dry skin. So that's it for today's videos, guys. I think I've explained everything that I use, and you can get some idea about how you can take care of your skin in winter. So I think this was helpful. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.